In the assembly and packaging area, CensiTrac gives users enhanced efficiency and transparency. The intuitive container assembly module gives users key details like approved substitutes, critical items, special instructions, instrument images, instrument-specific integrity testing, picture capturing, and a seamless one-source interface for direct access to instrument-specific instructions for use. CensiTrac includes a dedicated competency module. This module ensures users are properly trained on instruments, containers, and equipment, helping to prevent adverse quality events in assembly and sterilization processes. Equipped with an intelligent maintenance module, CensiTrac alerts users only when instruments need maintenance based on actual usage, eliminating unnecessary instrument maintenance requests. Combining these modules with the rest of CensiTrac's capabilities can help your team take the first steps in achieving department optimization.